you. This concludes our service. So I went through the whole thing from input to output, and I was not able to recreate any issues, no whooshing sounds, no sounds out of the ordinary. In fact, what I ended up doing is removing the background hum caused by the way they grounded the heater supply. So as you can see here, I just floated the ground a bit, tying it to the cathode end of the power tubes. You can also see that I added some rectifier backup diodes, the old tricks, you know. And that's it, man. I ran this thing for about 4 hours under heavy load, both under and over voltage. Unable to recreate any particular issue. Controls set at various points, various types of waves at the input, trying to stimulate some instability and oscillations, unable to. Scoped everything out. Everything's completely to spec. This amp was meticulously hand-built. I don't know who did it, but perfect mechanical joints followed by the perfect amount of solder. So this one was really done right. So all your caps are in spec. There's low ripple. It's if you go to the manufacturer's websites and you look at where the value should be for ripple, it's there. Just an incredibly well-crafted amp from the guys over at Vox. This is just something you don't see these days. A tremendously well-built amp. And I noticed there's some mercury iron over here on the west side with the choke and output transformer. So that's it, man. I did find one microphonic tube, and that's it. I don't think that was contributing to the issue at all. In fact, I know it wasn't. So I'm gonna make an assumption, which I don't like to do, that this is due to the electrical environment that this thing is living in currently. And I just wish I had a broken part in a baggie for you. I don't like to send them back home with intermittent issues, but man, any more testing, the way I do it, you're looking at some premature wear in your power tubes. So if it was going to happen anywhere, it should have happened here. And again, I have a 730-foot RF blaster about a mile away from here, not even a mile. So if it's quiet here, it should be quiet everywhere. All right. So hope you guys are okay. Hope you're okay.